in this video, I will let you know how actually we can trigger whenever a new employee is added in the HiBob and getting a Slack notification, right? So let's get started. So we are at app.workato.com. We do have the create button. So I will click on creating a recipe wherein I'm saying employee onboarded. BOARDED. Employee onboarded HiBob. Okay, triggering from an app. So what is the triggering point? HiBob is a triggering point. Whenever new employee is created, I will use my HiBob connection. Created connection, HiBob connection, object and value, it is employee. What will be the event type? I'm saying whenever an employee is created, right? So this is my employee type. And what is the action I want to get triggered? So I want a Slack notification. So I'm saying it will post a message to Slack. I will select the Slack channel. What channel? So I want it on general, stating that employee onboarded in HiBob. Okay, so basic test is this. For example, say you want to add on any of the employee ID, you can do that. Employee onboarded in HiBob with employee ID is this. Into the employee ID, name as first name, and email ID. Email ID is this, right? So this is done. I will group the map data. Employee ID not required. Okay. So image save. So this is my first one, right? So the recipe has been created, right? I will save it and then I will go to my HiBob account. I will log into my HiBob account. Then let me create a new people, right? New employee who has been onboarded. I will create a new hire. What is the template? Block txm start basic information, right? So let me write it down. Test Workato at txm.com. So HiBob block txm. HiBob Workato. Middle name, last name. Okay. I will create a new employee who has joined on this date. I'm saying that 11th is the date. What is the job title? He might be the CEO. Department is administrator. Site is London. And let me check the reports to my name so that I can also get the notification and all, right? So this is it. Next. Now you can see that the employee is getting onboarded, right? So I will click on this and I will save it. Right, so this is done. I will go to my recipe and I will test this recipe. So it might be waiting for a new triggering event, right? So bear with me, it will take some time. Okay, so Okay, so we missed to add on one more thing. So let's me go to system setting. I need to create a web connection. So I will go to integration. I will go to automations. I do have the webhook, right? So employee created webhook is already there. So let me edit it, and I will go to my HiBob connection recipe this, and I will take the webhook connection. That this is my webhook connection. I will paste it here, save it, right? So let me refresh this. Exit, start recipe. Your recipe is waiting for the triggering event. So let me do one more thing. We go to this, because the webhook connection is already done, right? So I will go to organization label, then people, and then I will create a new one more hire. Block txm, state txm, just block txm. Date is 11th, job is CFO, department, reports to city. Right, so next, okay, test 5. Okay, let me do it at test 5. So I'm just testing it out for you guys, right? So I will align all the policies what I'm looking for this employee, right? And this employee is created, right? So I will go to my triggering, I will refresh it. 2 successful jobs, right? So you can see that my job was successful. So let me check on the jobs. So employee created, triggered by this, and what is the message? Employee created in HiBob with name as this and email ID as this, right? So let me go to Slack. So here I think you can get this employee onboarding HiBob with name as and email ID this, right? So we need to check it out why it is coming out to be this, but yeah, you can see that this recipe is success, right? So wherein what we have done, whenever new employee is created in HiBob, a message will post on Slack. So that's all in this video. Stay tuned.